Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. I just bought my mother-in-law this silicone cooking utensil set from AOTHOD because for some reason it really bothered me that she had all mismatched utensils with all sorts of different colors. And I personally love when things just look nice, organized, and put together. So that's why I really like this set, because it comes with everything you need no matter what you're cooking in the kitchen. From a pasta fork, to a spoon ladle, to a basting brush, a whisk, tongs, spatula, and just so much more. Everything's a nice matte black color, so it just really looks nicer in her kitchen. Plus, it's made of food grade silicone, it's BPA-free and heat resistant. We use a lot of turmeric in our foods, and if you do too, you know that turmeric stains everything. So we like that these utensils didn't absorb that yellow stained color, and they wash up really nice and easy. Plus, they're also dishwasher safe. And because they're made out of silicone, we like that we can use these on any kind of pot or pan that we own without being worried that it will scratch or ruin the pan. And lastly, it also comes with this slim utensil holder to keep everything in place. Just seeing these matching utensils in her kitchen has truly made me really happy, but I know that she actually loves it too. But that's just our point of view.